Guys, this is
it's
the project of TLE
yes, Vlog
Elements.
of Elements. And
Right here, you can see Alto will hold the camera.
and here is there's no people live here. But this is our house.
Yes,
We cannot enter because we don't have the key. My mom is have the key. Okay. So,
we're going to the park. Right
yes, we're going
there,
to the park right there.
as you can see right there.
Right there.
That's the park.
Yes.
They moved the park right there.
Yeah. There's a sliding right there, but they move it right there.
Yes. This is the multi-purpose hole.
Yes, this is the multi-purpose hall. So I'm sorry guys, my English is not so good. Here
Yes,
guys,
I'm sorry.
this guys is not
It's
Ah.
abandoned.
hindi to hindi to ganun yung face niya. Parang ano to parang restaurant eh. Yes, and then they just broke it.
Abandoned it.
Yes, the down is abandoned. Sorry, my English is not so good. But we're making this for our project. It's a blog for elements. And I hope you guys you see our video in YouTube. We're gonna post this. And this is the sliding. Yes, that's the sliding. Yes, that's the sliding. And that's the basketball court. And I'm going up. And you see right there. And Jasmer is going up.
Yes, sir.
You see there is a river.
There's a river.
But there's no water.
Because the water dried up because of the sun.
Yes. But there's so many garbage here when I wake up and now they just clean it. But there's a little pero meron pa tira-tira dito maliit yan. Okay, we're just gonna translate this English to Tagalog because our English is not so good.
Yes.
My accent, I'm so sorry. Tagalog na lang. Okay. Sorry po. So, ito po, malunggay tree. Malunggay tree. Vitamin talaga to guys. Good for your body and health. Good for your body and health. And this is so vitamins in your it's good for from your heart, it's good from your body, it's good for the brain and pang malilino ng mata. Yes, kailangan natin to. Hindi lang ang kalabasa kailangan sa malilino ng mata. Syempre this malunggay is so good. And then, mag-sliding kay baka mahulog pa tong cellphone. And then, here guys, there's so a lot of garbage there. Yes, last night when we play here, it was the garbage so smell so bad. Marami talagang basura dito. Ayan, tinatapo ng nila kan saan. Yeah, may sting, saan, may mas pa dyan. Eh. This is the duyan. Yes, this is our swing.
We're gonna test it. It's a little bit rusty.
Yes,
It's a
but
little bit rusty because this is like 10 years old.
yes,
Like,
10 years old. Oh no,
old.
it was old. Sorry, hindi pala 10 years old. So, and then
Sorry, bro.
that's yun isang araw, yun sa Sunday.
Yes.
Yes, nagtulong tayo dito. Yan, nag-clean kami ng basketball court. Pero na yun, kahit anong sabihin namin sa mga tao, wag magtapon ng basura, saan, pero hindi sila naniwala. Ayan no, yan no, hindi sila naniwala talaga. Yan, ayun no, doon, di ba, Jazz, di ba bagong linis ang natin doon? Ayan, ipakita ko sa inyo. Bagong linis namin dito, nung Sunday pa, isang araw. Tapos tingnan nyo, anong ginawa nila? Pinutol nila yung bamboo tree. Tapos nagtapon sila ng mga basura. Yan, no? Yan, no? Kita niyo yan, guys, oh. Yan, no? Oh, yan. Yan. Oh, kinat pa, oh. Pinutol nila, oh. Oh. Kahit anong sasabihin namin dito, hindi sila niniwala.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. So that's the project for TLE.
Yeah, vlog
I hope
of
you
elements.
enjoyed it.
Yes. And I hope, okay guys, it is our ending. Okay, and
3. No,
thank you for
Thank
watching.
you for watching.
Like and subscribe. And comment down below kung ano masasabi niyo kung nakatatawa ba yung vlog namin.
Sorry,
Okay.
pero di kami marunong mag-English.
Yes, Tagalog lang. Okay, bye-bye. Yun
Thank
lang.
you.
Bye-bye.